What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Tonic community. Thank you guys so much on the support you've been giving me on these videos. YouTube is pushing these videos out to more and more people. I know it, guys. There's a few people that have been taking interest in Tonic because of my videos, and that is some great stuff to see. In this video, we're gonna go through, the global markets, see where, everyone's sentiment is at and how it could correlate with Tonic. Also, Elon Musk is warning you guys. Elon Musk is warning you. You better scoop some Tonic up right now before it's too late. If this is something that you're interested in, Meme Coin Daily 1,330 subscribers, Tonic fam, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, like the video, subscribe, and let's keep growing together, guys. Now, if we take a look at Tonic, still in a range, $9 million in market cap, 80K in 24-hour trade volume, down 57%. That's fine. We're still in this range on the 7-day, just going sideways. Crab market is still here, but I'm feeling very bullish for 2023. I feel like 2023 will be a great year for crypto. It will be potentially the start of the bull market, or we're gonna have a nice move to the upside in this year, and then a retrace back down. But still, I expect a lot of bullishness for 2023, and I expect a lot of bullishness for Chronos and Tonic. I expect the team for Tonic to unveil a lot more in the future, dropping some bombs on our heads. I also expect, the ambassador program to be rolled out fully, which would be great to see. More marketing campaigns as well, more utility updates. Also expect the Tonic community to keep growing as the days go by. Now, if we take a look at Chronos Scan, the Explorer for Chronos, you'll see the Tonic addresses have been increasing. I remember it being at 35,000 addresses. Now it's at 36,613 addresses, guys. This is very great to see. There's more and more people that are joining the Tonic community, becoming a part of the Tonic fam, and you're gonna see more and more moves to the upside in the future because the project is so bullish, so unique and innovative. And we could go through the token transfers. You guys see right here, there's a bunch of activity for on the Chronos Explorer for Tonic, in the last minutes or so, right? Last 5 minutes, right? So that is awesome, guys. That is very bullish stuff. And Tonic, tectonic shift in lending and borrowing, very innovative and unique way for institutions, stock market investors to take a chance on DeFi. A very interesting way for them to dip their toes in the DeFi. A project like Tonic, I could see mass adoption for because of its utility. And decentralized finance is definitely the future of finance. There is no ifs, ands, buts, or maybes about that. And as more and more, as crypto evolves, as more mass adoption happens, it takes place, as Chronos gets more and more new users, institutions as well. There may be huge companies that decide to take part in the Chronos ecosystem, become partners to crypto.com, and they'll be taking a look at Tonic due to that effect, right? Project like Tonic, like I said in many videos, is one of the top projects on the Chronos chain. So it's only a matter of time until we see potential institutions, bankers, stock market investors take a chance on Tonic. Now, the Tonic Twitter hasn't really updated us on much as yet. We see 54,200 followers on Twitter. I'm suspecting the next tweet to be something with talking about the new year and what could we see in the future for Tonic for 2023 whenever they do put another tweet out for the project, and I'll be right there to cover it. I can't wait. I know it's gonna be some bullish stuff, guys. We have a tweet from Fact Checker. I wish that Tonic began 2023 with a total circulating supply of at least 200 trillion. The longer Chronos and Tectonic take on releasing the total circulating supply, the longer Tonic will take to the sky. I do believe that this project will make one day millionaires though, and I fully agree on that. Millionaires in the future from this project definitely could happen, right? Never rule anything out in crypto, but I understand what he's saying here. He wants the full circulating supply to be out, so you know coins can't keep getting added to the market, right? This way there's not as much price suppression, you know, because if coins keep getting added to the market until the full supply is out, there's gonna be price suppression. But that really doesn't matter when it doesn't really matter when the market, you know, is bullish, right? So when the market turns around, you know, it will have some impact, but it's not like, you know, there's a huge discrepancy in the circulating supply and the total supply. If there was like only like 5% of the Tonic coins out in circulation, 3%, and they had like 97% more to, you know, add to the open market, then we'd have concerns. But around 118 trillion, we can see right here, 118 trillion is in circulation, and the total supply is 500 trillion. So that's not bad, you know. But you know, in the future, it really doesn't matter, because once the market is bullish, everything is gonna send. Plus, let's not forget the Tonic team having catalysts, releasing new catalysts, new news for us that also, you know, would help in a future price action for the project. So yeah, guys, do fully agree with this point that he believes that Tonic will make millionaires in the future. I totally agree with that. This tweet is from Parabolic. Guess what happens next? This is our take on the S&P 500. This green line, this light green line, and you know, darker green line is the DXY. And as you guys can see from history, just take a look at history. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. We see a huge move to the upside in the DXY. The S&P 500 comes down. The DXY decides to come down. Huge, massive move to the downside. The S&P 500 moves up. And you could see that time and time again. DXY has a huge run up, and then the S&P 500 falls. DXY starts to fall. S&P 500 huge run up. Look at how they're inverse of each other, right? As the DXY falls, the S&P 500 moves up. Right now, at the precipice of this happening once again, we have a huge move up in the DXY, which is the US dollar index, and the S&P 500 is on the brink of moving up right here as well. The DXY comes down, the S&P 500 goes up. That's great for stocks. That is great for crypto. That is great for Tectonic. Now, what you'd call this is people in the space being more accepting of getting into risk-on assets. Right now, they're in risk-off assets like gold, right? Like silver, like, you know, I guess for crypto, the risk-off asset would be Bitcoin. But, you know, even Bitcoin still has, you know, a decent amount of volatility. Not too crazy, but still, you know, a bit of volatility. So when, you know, the DXY decides to retrace and come down, the S&P 500 moves up, the psychology of the typical investor will be, oh, now's the time to get into risk-on assets. Now it's time to ape into altcoins. Now it's time to scoop up some Tectonic. But by the time that starts to happen, they've already missed out on great entries, a great DCA accumulation period that they could scoop up, you know, a big bag for cheap, right? You know, so you got to play the markets, you got to pay attention, you got to take a look at what's happening all around, guys. And you know, if you're getting value from these videos, me, you know, researching and bringing this information to you, I appreciate it if you like and subscribe, right? We have a tweet from Matthew Dixon. Great to see DXY retesting the low. See that? DXY is retesting the low. Let's hope the low breaks, as it will drive crypto and BTC higher. A break here would be significant, right? Crypto and BTC going higher means Tonic will also go up in price. So this is the DXY holding this support right here. Once this support breaks for 2023, I have a great bullish feeling about this, guys. Once that support breaks for the DXY for 2023, expect a huge move to the upside in the future for Tonic. 2023 will be a bullish year, man. I got a great feeling that it will be, right? I really do. From Crypto Rover, Bitcoin triangle breakout is imminent. A breakout is imminent for the Bitcoin triangle. So right now we have a wedge for Bitcoin. Once we break out of this triangle to the upside, expect the rest of crypto to follow. Expect Tonic to follow, guys. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be bullish. And like I said, Elon Musk is warning you. Elon Musk is warning you, guys. Don't miss out on Tonic. Don't miss out on this opportunity. I'm expecting a real economic recession in 2023. Be prepared for any macro storm ahead of us. From Elon Musk, trend is concerning. Fed needs to cut interest rates immediately. They are massively amplifying the probability of a severe recession. Guess what though? Before that recession could take place, you DCA'd into Tonic. There's gonna be a blow off top before the recession, right? And then when you get those gains, you're recession proof. You're recession ready, because you got those huge gains in the huge run up that's about to happen for the stock market and the crypto market. So Elon Musk said the Fed needs to cut interest rates immediately, right? And we know what happens when the Fed starts cutting interest rates. What's going to happen to the stock and crypto market? We know what's going to happen next, right? The only reason we're in this bear market, the worst we've ever seen since 1871, is because the Fed is raising interest rates. What happens when they decide, oh, time to pause raising rates, time to lower interest rates? We're gonna see deflation. We're gonna see huge runs for Tonic in the future. From Gamer Trades, strong accumulation in the works. BTC total supply held by long-term holders is on a sharp rise. Hey, I hope y'all are diamond handing y'all Tonic like the Bitcoin holders, okay? Look at this. The long-term holders are just buying and holding. They're not selling. they just diamond handing and accumulating. That's all they doing, right? And when Bitcoin sees moves like this, it's just great overall. Supply and demand, right? The more people that are diamond handing Bitcoin, holding on to their Bitcoin, not selling, the less sell pressure we have. And that means when demand kicks in and there's a huge amount of demand, we'll see huge parabolic upside for Bitcoin with this taking place because of supply and demand. And once Bitcoin is doing well, the rest of the market will follow, because Bitcoin is the leading market mover. Tectonic, I'm telling you guys, from sideways to huge pop to the upside. Another tweet from Callum Etherington. I'm investing small amounts monthly into a small cap project called Tectonic Finance. Smart guy. It has a low market cap of approximately 10 million, and it is a DeFi project that offers loan staking, maturity vaults, and lockups. Could be a little gem, but who knows? More below. So he also goes into a quick little 3-tweet thread on what happened about Tonic, how it operates on the Chronos chains. It's audited. Insurance fund coming soon. This will be an interesting utility rollout, the insurance fund. That's what's really gonna peak the mass adoption investors, like for institutions or just huge amounts of retail investors. The insurance fund is what's really gonna peak a lot of people's interest. This is one of my stranger plays, I suppose you could say. I don't normally invest in meme coins or coins with massive supplies. That's what I'm saying. The project isn't even necessarily a meme coin, right? it just has a huge supply, you know, a bunch of zeros. But I just like something about this project. Let's wait and see what the future holds. Tonic has great utility, very unique and innovative utility, but because of the huge supply, it has a bunch of zeros. So, you know, I think it's actually very smart from a marketing standpoint, because the psychological perspective of a retail investor, let's say they're brand new to crypto, they buy $100 worth of Tonic, and that will give them great gains in the future, right? But they'll have super high expectations for their $100 investment, just because they have so much shares, because the project has so many zeros, right? But from a marketing perspective, that's great. And being on crypto.com as well, a lot of the retail investors, especially in the last cycle, we saw, you know, a lot of them being super, you know, hype or super, you know, unrealistic, thinking SHIB could hit $1 that cycle. Like, SHIB is going to $1. I have 100 million SHIB, it's going to $1, right? And, you know, once you understand how market cap works, that's not necessarily, you know, how it works, right? Once you understand market cap. But most new retail investors don't understand market cap, so these type of expectations, you know, I mean, could happen in the future. Who knows? Can't rule it out. But, you know, it's better to set realistic targets based on market cap. So that's why I always bring market cap to you guys when I talk about the project, and not necessarily talking about, you know, removing zeros, right? From 9 million market cap to 100 million market cap, 10x on your money, $100 to $1,000. Billion market cap, 100, that's a 100x, $100 to $10,000. And, you know, 3 to 4 billion market cap for Tonic. Man, I wouldn't rule it out. Like I said, guys, like I say all the time, crypto is very unpredictable. So same thing with $1,000 invested, man. $1,000 invested, 10x from here, which is 100 mil market cap, $10,000. $1,000 invested, 100x from here, which is a billion market cap, or 300x from here, 3 billion market cap, $300,000, right? So who knows what could happen? Who knows what could happen in the future for the project? But it is a great project. We can't rule that out. As far as DeFi goes, it is a great DeFi project, and it has, you know, the appeal of being built on the Chronos chain, being on crypto.com, the future utility of the insurance fund. Great things ahead for the project, guys. For 2023, I see nothing but great things for Tonic, guys. I'm telling you, Tonic fam, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's spread the word of Tonic everywhere, right? The few people that have tuned into my channel and have taken interest in Tonic because of my videos, even that's helping, you know. So let's keep, you know, supporting content creators. Let's keep spreading the word on social media about Tonic. Let's do our best. You have to let people know about great projects, right? It's not gonna be very productive if you have a great project, nobody knows about it. So keep it up, Tonic fam. Let's see, man. 2023, I'm feeling bullish. Really feel like it's gonna be a great year for Tonic, guys. And, you know, the future is gonna be bright as well. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. What do you guys think of the project? If this is your first time seeing Tonic, what do you think? Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.